Hello and welcome to Finbyz Tech, the channel dedicated to helping businesses scale through effective sales strategy and the adoption of technology. Our goal is to provide valuable insights and practical tips on how to take your business to the next level. From maximizing revenue to streamlining operations, we will be covering it all. In this channel, you can expect to learn about the latest technologies and how they can benefit your business. From automation to artificial intelligence, we will be exploring the ways in which these cutting-edge tools can help you save time and money while increasing efficiency. But we don't just focus on the technology. We also delve into the strategies and tactics that will help you drive sales and grow your customer base. From lead generation to closing deals, we will provide actionable advice on how to effectively market and sell your products or services. So, whether you are a small business owner, a sales professional, or a marketer, Finbyz Tech is the channel for you. Tune in every week for new videos and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest trends and strategies. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next video.